Hello friends, welcome in my channel Color and Color. Today I will color the picture of grandparents. I start with your faces with peach color. Grandmother has grey hair. I color them with lead pencil. Grandfather has white hair and white mustaches. Grandmother has a pink color bow on her head. The muffler in her neck is also pink. Grandpa has green shirt inside the jacket. His jacket is blue. He has green belt. Grandmother is wearing a long sweater. Her sweater is yellow. She is holding a purple yarn ball in her hand. She has brown knitting needles. Flowers on her sweater are green. Grandfather has a brown stick in his hand. Color of his pants is green. grandfather has black shoes. Grandmother has brown shoes. I love my grandparents. Do you also love them? Give a like and subscribe.